Sean, let's dance.
Look at your seatbelt.
Oh, yeah.
You want to get in the back seat?
Good Lord.
Good to have video.
Now he's got half the chip.
Want to be a driver? I was going to eat that.
Where's the music, Sean?
Okay.
Just a minute, wait.
Want to be a driver? Okay. Come on.
Turn on the music. We need music. No. Close it.
Mom, can I sit on the front? Not right next to it. Mom's going to stay there. This is country music.
We find one that we can dance to.
Mom, can I listen to Uncle Cracker?
We don't have Uncle Cracker on here.
Dang it.
Careful, Sean.
Bye.
Bye. We'll see you later.
That's me. I don't care what you do. I don't care.
For me? Thank you.
I'm gonna go start chairs in the garage real quick.
Okay.
So yeah, when you guys go in.
You have that one. That one's yours. You want me to have it? Okay. Oh, oh my goodness, you have so many. Are you sure you don't want them?
Hard-time employees receive. I know it's easier.
Sean, look it. I'll help. Sean, look it. Tippy. Tommy, Tippy.
Trinity doesn't want it right now, sweetheart.
Tommy does not look at it.
What are you doing, Sean? You want your chips back? You gonna buckle up?
It's not close anymore. Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Commercial free hour.
Can you dance? Let me see you dance. What are you looking at?
Mama.
Where's Mama?
Uncle.
All gone? Mama's all gone. Where's Mama? Sean, where's Mama?
Uncle.
All gone.